Hello family, how are you all doing today? Yes, and it's already new week, and today late I'm late because it's already Monday, and I usually upload the forecast video. I usually upload the forecast videos during weekends, right? But I'm late, but still I'm going to do it. It's new weeks, new liquidity, new opportunities, and I want to take you through these few minutes, and we analyze the analysis, or the call it the forecast towards this week, the forecast that we're going to follow towards this week. And yes, stay with me. Let's go to the charts and break down the charts together, guys. If you're new here, this is GodFX. Please subscribe. I usually upload videos like this that are helpful, that I think are helpful for beginners and midway traders, right? So if you're interested in this sort of content, please hit that subscription button and don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video. Let's go. GodFX. So guys, all right, so the previous week I actually did two forecasts on two pairs. Like I did one on Euro USD and another one on gold, right? But one failed. The gold forecast failed, right? And I'm going to explain to you why, because I have to first go bit by bit, so you can see the Euro USD previous week forecast was a boom. All right, it was a boom from here, from this Monday candle to the downside. This was our target, the weekly BC consequent encroachment, right? It was our target, and you can see that it was filled on Friday. So this is a Monday candle, right? It's a Monday candle. And today this forecast is going to roll from 12th till 16th of May, right? So yeah, I actually want to take you through Euro USD from the monthly time frame, right? Such that we can observe clearly, right? So, but before that, I saw some of you people complaining that why don't I show you the pips? So previous week pips were 170 to the downside, right? So if you managed to get like at least 70 pips in previous week, those are not bad results at all, right? Those are not bad results. 70 pips in this whole move, because I could expect like price does not move as, does not seem to be simple as it's looking in the on this daily time frame. The more you go to the lower time frame, the more things change, right? So you may hit some stop losses and stuff. So I expect you to have gained at least 70 pips, right, in this move and above. So guys, let's go to the monthly time frame, Euro USD, right? So this is the monthly time frame, and as you can see that we had this monthly pivot point, right? We had this monthly pivot point and a sweep of this buy side liquidity, and together with this CB, this monthly CB, you see price field didn't complete this full inefficiency, so we also shift our our FVG low up here, right? So we make this little FVG, simple FVG. So that was the 2 PD raise that pushed price to the downside, and from right there I'm gonna take you straight here. You see this monthly inverse BPR, and for now it could be the target for these sales, though its probability is 50. When I make this forecast, I don't mean like you should exactly go for that direct direction immediately you see this forecast. You have to apply your own strategy and entry models and risk management, right? Not like immediately you see this, you run to the charts and take the signal, right? You have to apply your own strategy, and if you see that it's flowing with this uh, bearish order flow that I have forecasted, then you're good to take the sells and gain yourself some liquidity, guys. So I was still showing you this breaker, this monthly breaker, because are among the strongest PD arrays in the ICT concept, right? So you can see this monthly breaker it could hold price or support it to the upside, though we still have this lower BPR, the monthly BPR, right? I think I have to change this name, right? We've got that monthly BPR. And so guys, when we drop to the weekly time frame, this is what we see. Remember, our last week target was this inefficiency, the first priority we were looking at to get filled, and you can see how price did as well by filling it with that exact week movement, price action movement, right? So this is the new week printing candle, the Monday candle, and you can see how so far it has inversed and fulfilled this BC to its fullest, right? So what should we expect if we come to see this candle closing like this? Then we should know that price is automatically going to do this thing, come to fill out this inefficiency right here for more orders to the downside, right? To the downside to this monthly BPR, right? Those who have already seen this. So this is also a kind of inefficiency that we need to look at. So you can see how it formed. You can call it the new week opening gap, right? So you can use it as a resistance to the downside. I'm talking all that only if this kind of closes like this and it has inversed this weekly first FED, right? That's what you should do after you see it. But if once it rejects and it leaves a week all the way down here and it shows reversal signs, we're automatically going to the upside. All we need to do is wait this gap to get inverse, then support price, then we shall automatically look to the upside, right? We have to be versatile with price. You see this inversed weekly candle, do you see its minute threshold? This is the week. So do you see where its minute threshold is aligning? So price is almost there. So if I'm to wait for New York, I may take target this as my target in the New York PM session. And let me take you to the 15 minutes time frame to show you this setup. You see, I already took a loss on this. In London session. It's because I was taking that retracement into the premium, right? Into the premium, and these two lines, black lines, indicate that daily imbalance. I'll take you to it. That daily imbalance, you see it, and it was filled till to the downside, right? And we have this order block, right? So I was saying maybe I should use this opportunity for the buys to the premium. It was just a short trade, just a 1 to 2, but all is all good since I have already recovered. I'm recovering this with this trade, and let me see how it will go. So far it gave a 1 to 1.5, right? So let me see how it will deliver, because for gold I'll take you very quick on what we were expecting for gold to do last week, and it didn't, right? So for last week Don't mind of the message chart. It's because the lower time frame annotations are all added onto here, right? But later on I will clear my chart to be clean because I don't want to confuse myself. So guys, you can see this was the last week candle price action, and I was expecting it to go to the weekly BC. I mean, you can just go and watch that video. So this was my point of interest to the downside, right? I was just waiting for price to come fill here and probably go to the downside, though it just inversed, and I wanted to get that retracement to this level to the upside. I also failed, right? So I failed here and here, trying to use it as a support to the upside, maybe up to around this level, this inefficiency. So that was it probably, and hopefully you've enjoyed and learned something in the video. So guys, subscribe if you're new and hit that notification bell for more video notifications. Adios.